Hapadeng shibun ki jing e bat jing ya khun ha ka jing em. We usamla na ri bhoi ulala pan penpau ya ka jing tre shitom jong u da ka barung ha ka thup top 10 ha ka examen HSSLC bala penmi da ka embos mentau snam. Uni usamla uday ustarwell ronghang upa puli St. Paul's High Secondary School nongpo padu basyong ha purdua. Ha ka result badang shupen bena padba. Ulawan ha ka kerdan ka bakhandai ha ka jella da ka bayo south pa lai pulai marks but jingyo star marks ha baro ki subject ha ka art stream. Ka jingwan ra nam jo uni usamla kala penlong ya ka school bar ka than bandap da ka jing ngau sarong. Ha ka sngi ban pen Khuborom yu ki Nonghikai da ka jing ngau komen bat jing eid ki la Leit shaw yu na Ïingsah jong u bat senran yu she school ha ka bala pediang ngau bhai yu nadu na gate da ka jing ya kenhoi bat ka jing sawarisa Jingkmen jagi para khana school. Hadin kata la penlong ya ka jing lang a jing ro ha phalau school ha ka ba Khubor penyat ki Nonghikai bat ki khana pule ki la pen pau ya ka jing ngau sarong ya ka ni ka jing yo jong u. Habakran halor kani ka jing yo jong u starwell ulapan pau ya ka jing ngau kemen bat ai khuble ya uble lambat ki Nonghikai bat ki bahayeng ki blakar shan yu ha paro ki jing ya ti jong u. Ula ong ba ka jing yo kam sham la wan suk kan rai ka de ka jing mi na ka jing ai tre shitom bat jing yai mi not top. Ula ya thuru ba ha kalenti ya jong u sha ka ne ka jing yo ula haban ma de ki jing e ki bakta ya ka jing mut jing perkhat jong u hanrei ula yai beteng banyale klam da sange. Nagalang ka sister Angelina CH Marak headmistress but ka kong sweetie shut up class teacher ila penpau ya ka jing ngau kemen ka bakrau bat kil ai ka jing ro ya ute usamla da ka bakit bokit ruyang ba unang ki shaprang bat wan ra shushu ya ka nam bat burom ha ki sngi ban wan.
Good afternoon, dear students, and good afternoon, dear.
First and foremost, I give thanks to Almighty God because without Him, I couldn't be here. I'm in front of you all because of His blessing since since the beginning of my preparation, He had strengthened me physically, intellectually, and emotionally. And I give thanks to all my teachers because they taught everything that is required for the exam, and because of them I was able to achieve it greater. And I also thanks to all my family and relatives. They support me every moment I prepare for the exam, and they also provided me financially so that I can come to school to be an educated person. Thank you. Since the beginning of the preparation, I mean since the beginning of the year, to be honest, I used to study only 2 to 4 hours daily, and I used to do a household task. And since December, just before 3 months of my exam, I used to study 10 to 12 hours daily. No, I don't have any hobbies in my life except dancing and singing. That's it. Now I have 3 courses that I'm interested in. That is political science and political science sociology and Bachelor of Law. But this decision will be taken within 2 to 3 weeks. And after my bachelor, I will be, simultaneously, I will be preparing for UPSC civil service examination and also state PSC. It's a sad moment that I'm living without my mom. She had passed away just 1 month before my SSLC examination in the year 2024. Due to a kidney failure, she had been hospitalized for more than a year in Jingkmen's hospital. And in that year, of her last year actually, just before 2 weeks of her last breath, she told me and she inspired me to study well, to prepare well, and to pass well in the examination, to be a good person in my future. And her words, her last word will always keep motivating me during my preparation, even though I face a lot of problems, but I used to remember her words that she told me to study well and to pass well in the examination. And also I'm very grateful to my sister Ritina, who always motivate me, came to my table in my house, that she always motivate me to become a commission officer and to study well in the examination, to pass well in the examination. But just after one day after my examination, she passed away due to a tragic road accident. It's a sad moment for all of us, especially for the family and for the state as well. She is not just a bright athlete, but also a good student, that she wants to be a good leader in the future, to become a commission officer, to serve the nation and the state with her dedication and humility. But due to this accident, she was not able to achieve that. If we really want to achieve it, we can achieve it. But it needs our self consistency, determination, and self. We should believe in ourselves that we are capable of achieving it later. Without our sacrifices and self determination, we will not be able to achieve it.
Lived with my students for the past 6 years, but I found amongst the teachers and students and within myself, I introspect myself how I should make my students pass well. And not only through my hard work, but first and foremost, the hard work of my teachers I could see. And just recently, we have installed smart board, and they really work hard to prepare the lesson plan. Even I could see the way that they were so passionate to teach my students. And after installing the smart board and smart class, I could see a bit of change in terms of learning and even in terms of teaching. And it's a proud moment. Once again, last year we got second among top 10 and the second rank. And this year we also get again in the top list for the 9th position. And it's a proud moment for the school as well. And I take privilege to thank God for blessing these many students. 175 students to send to write the board exam is not an easy job for the teachers and for the school management. But I take this privilege to thank the Almighty God for bringing this many students to be cared, to be nurtured, to be educated. And this year, again, I'm really proud and thank God, especially for Starwell, who is really a star to the school. Through his achievement, something it is within my soul, it is telling that children coming from poor section also can achieve. Just recently, he lost his own mother with a single parent. How he worked hard, and I could see his enthusiasm, his passion, his readiness to achieve greater heights. To the greater heights is really immense. So I could see that not only his effort, but effort between teacher and students and we school management, we really work hard. And it is a proud moment to say that Starwell has done it. And we are proud of you, Starwell. Hope your future life, your dreams will be that of bringing continuous blessings to yourself and to your family. And I could also congratulate you for the success that you brought to the school, and through the constant effort, the passion, the hard work, dedication, and believing in oneself that we can achieve, as you have already said, that you believe in yourself that I can do, so you start working. So I'm sure that together with my teachers and students, we are aspiring to bring good result to the school as well. Thanks. It's a proud moment to St. Paul's School once again, and we are getting in the top list for the second consecutive round this year. And art stream, we have sent 175 students, and 173 altogether pass. Only 2 couldn't succeed. One due to his job, he couldn't complete his exams, and only one failed. And 24 students appeared in science stream, and it is a satisfactory, although few of them failed, couldn't succeed. But overall, I could see that this year we have achieved a great thing. So means to say that this year failure has gone down. Only fail. So it's a really great achievement to the school, and I'm proud of my school, St. Paul's.
Kabaning kong ngi penpau ka jing songo yo blay na kabenta ka result ka babha jong ka St. Paul's Higher Secondary School mentau snem ro ga rajar apun rio kabaning kabaar pa de ngi penpau ka jing songo isha I Starwell I Meido I pa jing Starwell ki bahieng bahasem ki ba jodan rengkat man ka por bat I man ai man sim I ban pendap pen biang e barok hai kiliang kan liat na kaliang ki Nonghikai I Starwell ide khna I batreshtam mendai mengi Shillong tang namar ba ila pas menta henry ide khna I batreshtam nadu kapor ka ba nadu ki kelas ki baret ilawan join hane apo St. Paul teng yo I bha kum no ilong tigi don ki snem ki ba I have an improve lane I have ban 3 minute shusho ma ba in kamla tabaka wei ke bang itanat kum kino hikai Daka ne ka platform jong phiru ki kwa ban panyo soi ki khna jongi ba bonsen ki khna ha ba kilong ki ba songret kilong ki ba kuloi ban pen bet yela jong kilong ki ba kuloi ban ya trailang bat kino hikai bat ka school kawan ra te ka jingjom kini I Starwell ro ilong kumta haba idon kinu ka jing ka jing stom lane ki jing bam so tho ki subject bangi hikai iju kloi ban kali iju kloi ban pan jing arab kata ka bangi so tenat ka ngi hikai ki school ya kini ki khna jongi ki don kumba ars pa ngodi shi class kamde ka basuk ingi kino hikai ru bangin ai ka bangi on ka special attention lane ngin ai ban pet kmi bnya bhaya baro iwei pa iwei henringi ai lot baro ka met ka men sem ngi the lot baro khat kat ka bangi la ban ai kini ki khna henri ka shong ru ha ki khna de bakin wan chakmat bakin pan jingarap habaki snowdon kam te nga ai khubleiru ya barok khai ki para class jong Starwell mentau snam ka result kala bha shisha kidon ki khna ki padu na bha yo le se ki bon ki bam tep ma shapang ka St. Paul's ki ju ong ba ka result kumle kum tai henrei ngin ong e phik ni ju pha shi bon bha ki khna hado shi spa khandai po shi spa nyau po na ka arspa bat ki bon ki khna ki padu na bha hakapor selection ni ju ban perkhat arsin nai sen bat ne nai bon ki wan ka longyeng ka baduk dan ki ba ang em ngin persang mes ngin tre shitom ni khot ye ki kmek pa ngi long parents meeting ni pelong bayang ka exam kumne kata ka de ka jing tre shitom na kaliang ka school jongi kinoi kai bangi le ban yarap ye ki bat ho don ki bala yo nong shisha na kata henry don pat ki ba kim kwa ban yarap ye la die te henry kim la ban poi shakmat mo henry yakane ka snem ka bamenta hi tengi da sohon shai ka result number idon ki khna ki batlat shisha henry ki la tre shitom bat ki la one first but second yim don third henry ki first but ki second te result ka de khandai po pra point pra 100% jong ka arts but ni kit bok kit rang ki khna barok khoi bakin nang kiu shaprang ka jing kulia ka de badon kam ha ka jing em jong ki nang tangi kit bok kit rang ro Starwell nang de shakmat kane ka ditang ka jing sedang nang yai beteng ban tre stom Starwell ni kit bok ye phi kata tang kata blesibuat